please receive on behalf of our church in Venezuela our gratitude. For the constant support you have given us in recent times, especially at this time when our country is going through a very difficult situation, and yet we have received a very timely offering of about 21,456 Canadian dollars, which is coming directly to support our work in Los Guayos in Valencia, Venezuela. Right there at the Fundalfa Foundation, which is currently operating with great dedication, we are moving forward with our comprehensive medical and dental project. A significant part of this generous offering will be specifically dedicated to acquiring some essential specialized equipment, with which we will provide much needed care to the wonderful communities of Los Guayos and Valencia. In our community, we already have wonderful praise and worship services. Furthermore, we have the vibrant youth ministry, the dedicated Bible chain, and we also provide specialized classes for children, for women, and for men as well. In this way, it is a blessing to be able to receive all these resources to be invested in the expansion of the gospel through the Christian and Missionary Alliance in Venezuela.
大視宣嘅弟兄姊妹、牧者，你哋好。今日咧可以同拔哥鄧禮喺度同你哋分享 Valencia 嗰個事工。我回想起咧喺8年前度啦，因為委內瑞拉嗰個經濟嘅環境咧係跌到落谷底，人民咧生活困苦，好多人咧喺垃圾堆嗰度嚟去揾嘢食。但係咧好多謝你哋咧喺嗰陣時咧已經開始嚟到去資助 Valencia 呢個嘅事工。使到一啲嘅人民咧嚟到可以得到幫助，無論係牧者，無論係教會嘅弟兄姊妹，都可以藉着你哋所送嘅禮物包、藥物嚟到咧可以得到嚟到去幫助。直至到咧幾年前咧，老威瑤嗰個社區已經開咗啦，就係因為你哋嗰個愛心嗰個奉獻，以至到呢個社區中心能夠可以有一個好簡陋同埋破爛嘅鋪位，而到可以裝修到一個好舒服一個地方，嚟到喺入邊嚟到去傳講你嗰個神嗰個嘅信息。最後咧，亦都係邀請大家咧為到委內瑞拉嗰個嘅前途嚟到去祈禱，求神幫助委內瑞拉咧將會有一個嘅轉機，亦都為到呢委內瑞拉嘅牧者嚟到禱告，因為睇到百物通貨膨脹，佢哋根本嗰個嘅生活嗰個基本生活需要咧係冇嘅。有啲牧者咧根本啲仔女有病，佢哋冇錢嚟到去買藥俾啲仔女。更加呢度為到羅威瑤嘅事工咧嚟到去繼續祈禱啦，求神咧嚟帶領更多嘅人咧嚟到去侍奉，幫助咧嗰個區嗰啲人咧嚟到去認識主。